Hello, my name is Leah. Today I'm here to help you secure your Nuvera email with SSL TLS settings. SSL TLS will soon be required for all Nuvera email accounts. Enabling these settings will ensure your email stays secure and uninterrupted. First, let's enable SSL TLS in Magic Mail. Start by visiting nuvera.net and selecting My Account. Then email login. Log in with your email address and password. Then click Security Options on the left side of your screen. Under Manage Security Policies, click the bubble for Enabled next to Enforce Secure Channels. Don't forget to click Update Policies to apply the changes before logging out. Next, if you check your Nuvera email through another mail program like iPhone or Android, ensure SSL TLS is enabled in that program. For other mail program instructions, visit nuvera.net. Select Support. Then Email. And finally, how to enable SSL TLS in Magic Mail. You'll find additional guides for iPhone, Android, Mac Mail, Outlook, Thunderbird, and Windows 10. If you have any questions, our tech support team is ready to help. Contact us at the number on your screen.